Hey Roses, it's Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. If you're new to my channel, thanks for coming by. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe now and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So I thought I'd just jump in here really quick. I'm in the middle of wash day, so yes, another video will be coming after this one. But I wanted to go ahead and just make the announcement of who won my last giveaway. You know, the one where someone was supposed to be winning. Well, the winner is no one. Yeah, you heard me right. Nobody. So, nobody completely followed the rules, and there was a low amount of participation. So, y'all tell me in the comments, what type of things are you looking for in a giveaway from my channel? I would like to do more giveaways, but not if I'm doing giveaway videos for just 0 reasons. I super appreciate my subscribers that continue to come back. I appreciate the fact that I'm finally over 800 subscribers. And if you are a YouTuber, content creator, or anyone like that, you know how hard that is. So I feel blessed that I even made it to this point, but I do need your help. So if you're more into hair products, let me know. If there's any particular brands, let me know. If you're willing to venture out more into skincare, makeup type products, let me know, because I am actually interested in it all. Not just the hair y'all love to see, but there's more to Olena, and I want to share more of that with you. So my giveaways will be, a little bit of all. That's at least what I hope to do. So let me know. Other than that, again, no one won the giveaway. That's it for this video. If you want to see what more I got, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Other than that, I'll talk to you in the next upcoming video, Roses.